Ladies and gentlemen, the Weather Channel does not know how bad this is going to be. I'm showing you the winter storm warning for St. Louis County right now, and it says that we're going to get anywhere between 6 and 13 inches. That means they really have no idea how much snow we're going to get. And the reason for this? Because that government shutdown, man. All of the money for all of the weather forecasting models is not flowing in, and they are mucking up this forecast. I'm going to take you to the Doppler radar and give you an idea of what's going on here. So we're sitting in St. Louis, Missouri, right here, and we've been in this moderate to heavy snow for the last few hours, and it's piling up. We got about 5 inches on the ground right now, about 4 to 5, and it's coming down hard. And as you can see, it'll be coming down hard for a little while. Now, what I think some of these weather models are banking on, you see how we're getting this little dry air pocket, little break of the precipitation? That's because this front edge really built up and kind of rocketed away from the system. What I'm watching close now is this buildup right in here, this right here, and then the subsequent buildup beneath it. That's going to be the wave of energy that as we move into tonight and into the midnight hours, it's going to come and get near the St. Louis metropolitan area. Now, what that could mean is we could get an equally heavy burst of snow in duration to this first hit. This first hit could drop 10 inches. We still got a few hours of heavy snow, and it looks like the heaviest snow is about to move into the St. Louis metropolitan area. Let's get down a little closer, and I'll also make it so you can really see the colors nicely. Okay. Notice here, these dark blues, and they're getting darker. Very heavy snow. Very heavy snow. So 1 inch, 2 inches per hour snowfall rates. And this is taking its dandy old time to creep up. So we got a few more hours of this. I'm excited. You know, I mean, I got food in the refrigerator and I'm set. So I'm just waiting for this to come in, and I'm hoping I get a storm to tell my grandkids about. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. But we're going to see. I just watched the Fox 2 forecast, St. Louis Fox 2 news, and they were projecting the heaviest snow to be in this area right here. I mean, that's kind of a hard call to make. You know, it could be really sort of anywhere. Right now, with the way this is building up here, we're going to add more in this sort of area that might affect the grand total measurements. But, guys, it's going to snow a lot. Now, for the fun of it, let's turn on this future feature here. What do we get? Future one is holding that dry spot, but it's saying it's going to fill back in, huh? I don't really put a whole lot of confidence in this thing. I think it lacks nuance. As it goes out, it just sort of fills up everything with default. You know what I'm saying? Like right here, it just looks like it's growing, unless the storm is going to be that massive. But with the way the energy is building up beneath, it looks like it. And there's also this phenomenon with winter storms strengthening in the overnight hours, so the timing on that would also really coincide nicely. Boy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty much this entire blob right here. And you see how you're getting the little extra green here in the reflectivity just in the last few images. All of this, I think, is starting to fill in, and it's going to be the next wave of energy. So you saw in the future forecast that this gap, they said it was going to close. I think it's going to happen the same way. And the biggest question is if this mass is going to, or sort of like this. But I'll tell you, we're about to find out.